Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. This presentation is brought to you by Synergy Business Advisors Noida, your trusted business mitra. Today we are discussing an important judgment delivered by the Madras High Court in the case of A.K. Karthikeyan versus Authorized Officer, Canara Bank and another. This case highlights a crucial protection available to MSME borrowers. The court clarified that banks must follow the Reserve Bank of India guidelines for MSMEs before initiating recovery proceedings under the SARFAESI Act 2002. The judgment reinforces that banks cannot bypass the procedure meant to support MSME facing financial stress. Background of the case. In this case, the borrower, Mr. A.K. Karthikeyan, had taken a loan from Canara Bank for his business, which qualified as micro, small and medium enterprise, that is MSME. Due to financial difficulties, the loan account became stressed and the bank initiated recovery proceedings under the SARFAESI Act. The borrower challenged this action before the Madras High Court, arguing that the bank had not followed the mandatory guidelines issued by the Reserve Bank of India for MSME accounts. Key legal issues. The main question before the Madras High Court was, can a bank start recovery proceedings under the SARFAESI Act without first referring the MSME borrower's account to the committee as required under RBI guidelines? The answer to this question was important because RBI has created a framework especially to help MSMEs resolve financial stress. RBI Committee for Stressed MSME Accounts under the framework issued by Reserve Bank of India. When an MSME loan account becomes stressed, the bank must first refer the case to a corrective action plan committee. This committee examines the financial condition of the MSME and evaluates whether the business can be revived. It looks into the reasons for the default, the viability of the enterprise, and the possibility of restructuring the loan. Based on its assessment, the committee may recommend different solutions such as rectification of the account, restructuring of the loan, or recovery if the business is not viable. The objective of this committee is to ensure that viable MSME businesses are given a fair opportunity to recover before banks take harsh recovery measures. Court's observations. The Madras High Court observed that the RBI guidelines are mandatory in nature and must be followed by banks. The court noted that banks cannot ignore this process and directly initiate recovery proceedings. Before taking any action under the SARFAESI Act, the bank must first place the MSME borrower's loan account before the committee for proper examination. Key takeaways of this judgment. This judgment is significant for MSME borrowers and financial institutions. It reinforces that banks must follow RBI's structured mechanism for resolving stressed MSME accounts, ensuring that businesses get an opportunity for restructuring or revival before strict recovery measures are initiated. Legal awareness about such judgment is important for business owners, MSMEs and financial professionals. This is CA and IP Praveen Agrawal thanking you for watching. I hope this presentation will be helpful. Please subscribe to the channel for more such informative videos. Thank you.